Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade blue. The magic behind this vibrant drink lies in a special flower. We'll guide you through the process of using butterfly pea flowers to naturally dye your lemonade. This method is not only visually stunning, but also adds a subtle, earthy note to your refreshing beverage. Get ready to impress your friends with this unique twist on a classic. The star of our blue lemonade is the butterfly pea flower. These incredible dried flowers, when steeped in hot water, release a beautiful deep indigo pigment. Simply add about 10 to 15 dried flowers to 1 cup of hot water and let them steep for 5 minutes. Strain the flowers out, and you'll have a concentrated blue tea ready to work its magic. This tea is the foundation for our stunning blue drink. Now for the exciting part, combining your ingredients. First, prepare your favorite lemonade recipe, ensuring it's ready to go. Then, slowly pour the cooled butterfly pea flower tea into your lemonade. As the acidic lemonade mixes with the tea, you'll witness a fascinating color transformation. The deep indigo will instantly shift to a brilliant, vibrant blue right before your eyes, thanks to the pH change. Your beautiful blue lemonade is now ready to enjoy. Serve it over ice with a fresh lemon slice for an extra touch of elegance. For a fun twist, try adding a splash of sparkling water to create a fizzy blue lemonade. It's a refreshing and visually appealing drink perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Cheers to your colorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.